Hi, today we're unboxing this. It came in a box that says made in the USA, which I think is pretty cool. From Bravo Sierra. I'm pretty excited of opening this box because I am running low on the DO. And this one kept on popping up on my Facebook, so I thought of giving it a try. Trusty Gerber. Alright. Pretty cool touches, very simple box with their logo and their name, Bravo Sierra. Let's open it up. Let's see. Oh yeah. Looks like we got it. Let's fold that bad boy up, put it on the side, and let's see what's inside the magic box. First you'll see it says field tested by members of the US military. That's cool. Very simple packaging. So that's just a bunch of paper. And here we go. So here we got the hair and body wash and shave. The DO. DO is supposed to be all natural, no artificial, no aluminum and really harmful ingredients for us. So yeah, and leaves no residue. I think that's pretty important. Hair grooming paste, I'm kind of running out of that too, so that's perfect. Let's see what's under here. Nothing really, just the paper. Let's put that on the side there. Okay, so this is the good to go free. No, the good to go set. I actually got it for free. It's a free trial. I only paid for shipping. Total I paid for this is $6.95. So I thought it's not bad to try it out. These are pretty good sizes for a free trial, I should say. Not really much to see in the box. This really just a quick unboxing. I do hope that they still have the free trial so you guys could try it out for free and just pay for shipping. Pretty excited to try it out. I am running out, so this is good. Hopefully it works. Seems like it does from all the reviews online, so we'll see. Let's open that up real quick. Pretty solid. Take a sniff. Oh, that actually smells really nice. Like I said, I really just want to try this one out because it keeps bugging me on my Facebook feed. Same as these other guys. I think this is supposed to be like a shave soap as well as a hair and body wash. All in one. Saves space in your bathroom. This one too, for the hair. I'll leave a link at the description below if you guys are interested. Try it out. If you guys like my knife too, I'll leave a link in the description too for this guy. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If not, leave one anyway. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to see more of my videos. See ya!